Good morning, dear students. Today I will be sharing with you the answer of a very pertinent question which is many a time asked by the students while accessing the Moodle course page. Majority of the students, they have a question in their mind that how do they access the learning resources available on the Moodle course page. The steps are very simple. Say for example, this is the Moodle course page of Learning, Teaching and Assessment course, and over this you will just go to the activity block, and here you will find the resources. Over the resources you just click, and this will redirect you to the module wise resources shared by the facilitator. And these all are there are 5 modules of this course, and all the resources over entirely distributed among all the 5 modules. Say for example, if you want to access the material over learning environment, so you simply click over that, and this will redirect you to the link of eGyan Kosh, and over this you just click. Here it is mentioned click link to open resource. So it is an open educational resource. You just click it, and this will redirect you to the learning environment page, which is the PDF material shared by the facilitator. So I again repeat that on the Moodle course page, you just go to the activity block, and in that activity block you will find all the options: assignments, chats, choices, feedback, forum, glossaries, H5P quizzes and resources. Over the resources you just click, and all the module wise resources will be available. Whatsoever resource you want to access, you simply click over that resource, and it will redirect you to the material page. And by following all these simple steps, you being a learner, you can easily access the material. Thank you so much. Wish you happy and safe learning.